Hello traders, Doc here. In this video we will learn what is a pip. This will be one very quick video where I will explain how to calculate pips in a very simple way. The unit of measurement to express the change in value between two currencies is called a pip. So when price changes from one level to another, we use pips to calculate this change. For most pairs, pip is a fourth decimal number. For euro-dollar example, in this case 1.1051, 1 pip is this number here. This is the case for most currency pairs except JPY pairs. For JPY pairs, a pip is a second decimal number. In this case we have 147.52. A pip is this number here, second decimal number. Again, for most currency pairs, a pip is a fourth decimal number. This is a first decimal number, second, third, and this is a fourth decimal number. So this is a pip. For JPY pairs, second decimal number is a pip. This is a first decimal number and this is a second decimal number. This is a pip. Now let's see one example. If euro-dollar moves from 1.1050 to 1.1051, this 0.0001 US dollar rise in value is 1 pip. So difference between these two levels is 1 pip. Fourth decimal number here is 0 and fourth decimal number here is 1. Also first three digits are the same, 105, but fourth is different. Here is 0, here is 1. So the difference between this price and this price is 1 pip. But for JPY pairs it's different. So let's say we want to add 1 pip to this price here. That would be 147.53. So simply said, on the most pairs, a pip is a fourth decimal number, but for the JPY pairs, a pip is a second decimal number. Sometimes you will see a fifth number here, but that is a point, that's not a pip. Point is lower than pip, but don't be confused by this because the fifth number is not a pip. Fourth decimal number is pip. Also for JPY pairs, sometimes you will see three numbers here, but the third number is not a pip, it's a point. Second decimal number is a pip. And now let's see some examples. Here you can see how to calculate pips on a very simple way. You can simply use this formula here. You calculate higher price minus lower price and then you multiply it by 10,000. This is a sell example or short example and these are the levels. So let's calculate this now. All you have to follow is this formula here. So how many pips are in our stop loss here? This is a stop loss level and this is entry level. As you can see, we need higher price minus lower price. So we calculate that 1.1277 minus 1.1228. This is the number that we get. And now we need to multiply this number by 10,000. So we multiply it by 10,000 and we get 49 pips. So our stop loss is 49 pips. So for the most pairs in a trading view, this number here represents pips. As we can see, we calculated 49 pips and this is the number that we can see here. And now how many pips is our take profit level? So what we need a higher price and lower price. In this case, higher price is our entry level and lower price is our take profit level. So we have 1.1228 minus 1.1095 and we get this number. So now we multiply this number by 10,000 and we get 133 pips. As you can see, we have a same number here. So our take profit level is 133 pips. The reason why we use 10,000 is because here, as you can see, we have 4 zeros. And if you remember, 1 pip is a fourth decimal number. So we need to subtract these levels and then multiply them by 10,000. So we get exact number of our pips. This is example of a British pound Australian dollar and now I want you to calculate pips. So pause this video and comment below your answer. So how big is our take profit and how big is our stop loss? Remember, use same calculations as before and always go with higher price minus lower price. In this case, take profit is the highest number, lower price is entry level because now we have a buy trade. And when you calculate stop loss level, a higher price is entry level and lower price is stop loss level. Pause this video and quickly calculate this and comment below your answer. Now let's see one example for JPY pairs. In this case we have US dollar Japanese yen and now we want to calculate pips for this pair. As you can see, formula is same, but this time we multiply by 100, not 10,000. The reason why we use 100 this time is because in JPY pairs a pip is a second decimal number. Now let's calculate how big is our take profit level. So our take profit is 146.66 minus entry level, which is a lower price than take profit, 145.32, and we get 1.34. And now we multiply this with 100 and we get 134 pips. As you can see, it is the same number that we can see here. Now let's calculate how big is our stop loss level. The higher price in this case is entry level and the lower price is stop loss level. 145.32 entry level minus stop loss level 144.64, and we get 0.68. We multiply this number by 100 and we get 68. So our stop loss is 68 pips. We can now check here and see that this is the same number. Here we can see Euro, Japanese yen example, and this time I want you to calculate how big is our stop loss level and take profit level. So pause this video and comment below your answers. I will check and reply if your answer is correct or wrong. And because many of you are interested in gold pips, this is a formula that you can use to calculate gold pips. As you can see, it is the same as before, but this time we multiply by 10. Gold pips are a bit different, but I will not get into that right now. I want to keep this video very simple. Gold pips are different, and in this case, in a trading view, this number here does not represent pips, unlike in previous examples where this number here represents exact pips number. So I want to let you know that to not be confused. Now let's calculate how big is our stop loss. Our stop loss level is 1961.24 minus entry level 1952.66, and this is the number that we get. We multiply this number by 10, and in this case our stop loss is 85.8 pips. As you can see, this is not the same number here. What you need to do is to divide this number by 10, and now let's calculate take profit pips. So we need a higher price, which is our entry price right now, 1952.66, minus take profit price, which is 1927.91, and we get 24.75. So we multiply this number by 10 and we get 247.5 pips. So we have a very high take profit now. I want to keep this video very simple and I will not go into details right now, but if I helped you to understand how to calculate pips, please like and subscribe so I can continue to make more videos like this. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye bye.